doing. Got neighbours doing. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm in a different setup today. I'm just sat in the front room actually because I'm going to do a all-time favourite cleaning products of mine. And this will range from bathroom cleaning, kitchen cleaning, to there's a few laundry products in there. Now with laundry, I don't really stick to the same conditioner or the actual washing stuff. I just normally get what's on offer because the kids aren't babies anymore. When they were babies, it was all pure stuff and God knows what else. But yeah, I'll start with laundry. My all-time favourite thing for kids to get is Vanish. Vanish, these have saved my life. This and also a stain remover called Shout. It's in a little spray bottle. I've just run out of it. But these are so good. I have a white one and then one just from the colours because I do separate my washing still. But it's good with this normally every single wash because Charlie is a messy monster and Charlie will just mess everywhere and he still dribbles really badly. He had a tongue tie really badly when he was born and I was breastfeeding so they cut it. And they did say it could grow back a bit and I think it started to grow back because he dribbles, let us know tomorrow. But yeah. And then the next thing for laundry is these little balls. These are the Comfort Intense perfume pearls and I get these off Amazon Pantry and they're about £3–4 and they're just these little balls that you put in the wash, like you put it in the cap and then you put it in and they smell so good. I mean they are amazing. And we also, a little hack is we put a couple of the balls in a saucepan with some water and just gently heat it and it makes the house smell amazing. Aside from that, for washing up liquid, I normally use Method. I know it's a bit expensive but I really like using stuff that, I mean a lot of this stuff isn't, I can't think what the word is, good for the environment, but I do try and use stuff that's good for the environment. So yeah, I either use Method, which is this, or I use this e-cover one. I've just recently discovered this, saw Emily Norris talking about it and I thought, you know what, I'll try them because they were on offer for £1 and I've really been enjoying using them actually. I probably will go back to Method because they smell a bit stronger and I prefer the smells, but these are really good. And to go along with that, I use this handy device. This is my baby. This is the Dishmatic scrubber thingy and you can change the heads when they run out and you can get the normal head or the one for, this is a non-scratch, so like I use it for like glasses and things like that and I have two of these and then you just flip the lid and then you put in there your washing up liquid so you're not wasting too much, which I think is brilliant. And then to go along the line of cleaning cloths and things, I use these. This one's a bit grubby now because I need some new ones, but these are the e-cloths. So these are really good. I have this one which is just a multi-purpose one. I have the kitchen ones. I have one that's for windows and glasses. And the aim of these is they say you're meant to just be able to wet them and just use them wet. I do use them with products, but like the one for the windows and glasses, I do just use it wet and it cleans them brilliantly. So to clean the floors, in our house we have laminate flooring. We only have one bit of carpet at the minute and that's in the front room. And I've been on the hunt for ages for a really good cleaner because I just have a mop that you fill it up and spray. I don't have a steam cleaner or anything like that. And everything I've used has just left like a sticky residue. It hasn't really cleaned the actual floor. And I've seen people going on about this Star Drops brand. This is the laminate wood floor cleaner. But this I found has cleaned the floors, actually cleaned them and doesn't leave like a sticky residue, which is amazing. It's all I've been looking for in the cleaner. And then on to more Method products because I love Method. I have the anti-bac ones. I tend to just use the antibacterial ones. You can get just general purpose cleaners of them, but I like to use the anti-bac because obviously I've got 2 kids and they're really good. I mean they kill 99.9% bacteria and they are friendly for the environment, friendly for the kids, they're good to use. And then also on the Method range I have the bathroom one which smells lovely. I love them because the smells are really strong in them as well. I have the stainless steel cleaner which smells like apples, which is lovely, and I use that on just the sink normally, just the sink and like the draining board. And then I have the wood polish, which is really bizarre because I'm used to using like the spray polish, but this is like the spray that like foams sort of thingy, the aerosol one, but this is just like a wet spray, if that makes sense. But yeah, and then to go with the bathroom, I also get these toilet wipes, which are really handy. I just pick up normally what's on offer, but I get these because Ollie's potty training, he uses the big toilet because I've got a commode, because of my hips, so they find it easier to sit on it. And Charlie's just starting to potty train, but he somehow makes a huge mess when he goes to the toilet, especially when he goes for a poo, and I don't really know how he does it, but it gets everywhere. So anyway, I bought these just to do a quick wipe because it's just easier and quicker than wetting a rag and spraying it, and it's more hygienic this way. So yeah, last thing in the cleaning products is a holy grail of mine. This is the Cif cream. I love this. I use this on anything stainless steel or ceramic. So I use it in the bathtub, the sink. I use it on the sink of the bathroom, the sink in the kitchen, the hob. I just use it to clean because it just cleans so good and gets all of the little dirty, grimy marks up, which is amazing. It's all I want in life. That is it for the cleaning products. These are my holy grail products that I cannot get through life without. It's been a lot of trial and testing, I'll give it that, but I'm happy now in the amount of stuff I've got. If you try them out and they're good for you, let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.